I am beyond excited to offer you my content creation made simple course with Canva. I've recorded a short course because so many of my coaching clients struggle with navigating their way around Canva because it's not always obvious where to find the magic, and it shouldn't have to be that way. Many people don't want to muddle around, haven't got the time to struggle because they want to create something quickly and easily and simply, and that's what this course is about. This course is not for people who are already in love with Canva, fans of Canva, and know how to use the tool. This is for people who have not got into Canva. I want to show you what's hidden behind here. The free version is fantastic, but I'll also show you in my course why I love the paid version and how it saves you an enormous amount of money, because there are lots of other tricks that Canva gives you which people go to other tools for and pay on other platforms, and it's just not necessary. This course is based on a screen share of how to use Canva and how to create content. I cover, first of all, the different templates that are in Canva, what you can find in Canva. I work through the top menu, show you what to find there, work down this side menu and show you the menu to create a post, and work down all these side tabs to show you how to do what. There's a module based on social media templates, on other templates. I've got a whole module dedicated to fonts with a bonus to offer you a cheat sheet to find fonts easily by the name of the font, so you can see the font and its name, helping you find your fonts easily. I've got a whole module on images, how to edit images, how to resize, how to add, how to take away. I've got a whole module on video, how to record yourself on Canva. Did you know you could do that? How to upload, edit existing video, how to use the video image element gallery, amazing elements to add life to your posts, as with animations, how to do text blocks, how to move images and text forwards, backwards, add shadows, remove shadows, do transparency. I've got an important module for you on how to plan your content, how to create content with an intention to make your marketing messages work. And in that module, I offer a free bonus current monthly content calendar, whichever month you are in, to the value of 200 Rand. That already pays for half the course. I've got a bonus on image tips, sites to get additional free images, free audio, free video clips, the psychology of color, so you start using color effectively. You work your way around using all the tools that are available. I show you how to do it easily without having to wade through all the learning tutorials, because after all, who's got time for that? So if you're not one that RTFM reads the manual, this is for you, a quick short course to invigorate your content creation and ignite your marketing. Just a reminder, I add up to 1,500 Rands worth of free bonus content, including the opportunity to win a one-to-one coaching session. So I hope I see you on the other side.